Are you facing issues with Face ID not working after a recent iOS update? This can be frustrating, especially if Face ID was working smoothly before. Often software updates can introduce bugs or cause settings conflicts. But don't worry, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve Face ID issues caused by a recent update. Let's get started. Solution 1. Enable these very important settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Accessibility, scroll down, tap Face ID and Attention. Just enable Require Attention for Face ID, Attention-aware features. Also enable haptic on successful authentication. Solution 2. Reset Face ID. Go to Settings, scroll down, and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter Passcode. Scroll down, tap Setup Face ID, and follow the prompts to set it up again. This can help fix any recognition issues that may have developed. Solution 3. Check Screen Time Restrictions. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap Screen Time. If Screen Time is enabled, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Ensure to turn off the restriction on iPhone. If you still have issues, enable Turn Tone from Control Center. Tap and hold your brightness slide to come here. Enable True Tone. Try to update your iPhone or give your iPhone a Reset All setting. This will definitely help unless you have hardware issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Face ID issues caused by a recent iOS update. Let me know if these steps helped or if you have further questions. If you still have anything to ask, please let me know in the comments.